Hello there, it's Ty with WTI, and I am super happy for the new addition that brings organization and order into my hallway. And that is this shoe rack from Tribesigns. It's an excellent place to keep your shoes. And it only took 45 minutes for 2 people to put it together. The color I have here is gray and black, and it fit nicely many of my shoes and my husband's. And I like also the fact that it's a place where you can put different items, like you can put your speaker and plant, leave your sunglasses or keys there when you come. And also, if you're looking for a place to store your high heels, so I would say that then you need to put something even here, because these holes are quite big, so skinnier heels will fall through easier, but wedge heels and regular chunkier heels you can easily store here, but these kind of shoes have to stay somewhere else. And I also added a basket that has all the flip-flops and house shoes, and then there's even the compartment for rain boots or winter boots, whatever you want to store there. Who doesn't like nicely organized shoe store? And now you get to have a little piece of shoe store in your home. That, of course, is just my point of view.